Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2019 on a 69 plate Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI Tronic in Mythos black metallic paintwork. This vehicle is an approved used car, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning A1. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights that very clearly illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these stunning 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels that really complement some of these silver exterior elements. Looking inside the rear of the vehicle, we do have 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car. And you can also fold those rear seats as well, 60-40, meaning you can get larger items through in the back as well. Standing to the rear, we do have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. Now taking a look inside the tailgate of this A1, you can see that there's plenty of space in there for those shopping bags for that weekly shop. You can also get those suitcases in there for that weekend away. And as mentioned before, you can get larger items in there as well once those seats are folded down. You do also have as well this adjustable load floor, meaning you can have a completely flat loading area. Now taking a look inside, we've got plenty of high quality materials as you'd expect in an Audi. So we do have this silver trim which runs along the length of the dashboard. It really contrasts the black interior very nicely and provides a nice bit of texture. So then looking at these seats, now these are the black cloth seats, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those longer drives, and there is also plenty of adjustment, so it's very easy to find that perfect driving position. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this approved used Audi A1. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside the A1 and some of the technology on offer in this stunning city car. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which are great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are amazing on those frosty winter mornings. And looking over, we have this 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, so all the important buttons are right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen. Below that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, great for those longer drives, just makes life that little bit more comfortable. On the right, we've got our radio controls there as well. Sat behind that, we've got our virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen, and you can see things on there, such as some of your vehicle settings, your radio, as well as your phone screen there. Looking over to the left, then we have our central infotainment screen. It's very easy to use, and we have things on there, such as our digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. We have our media via Bluetooth or USB. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We have our phone apps there where you can connect the vehicle up to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which means you can use things such as Spotify and Siri without having to take your eyes off the road. Looking at our car setting at Audi's Drive Select, if you want to go for an economy run, efficiency is perfect, whereas if you fancy more of a spirited drive, dynamic is the best one for you. And if you have a look at individual mode, you can also configure the settings for yourself. We do also have as well the super strong air conditioning in this vehicle, which keeps you nice and cool in the summer and lovely and toasty in the winter. We do also have a 12-volt socket, perfect for plugging in any accessories, alongside a USB socket and a USB-C socket, catering for all those technological devices. And we also have the silky smooth S-Tronic gearbox in this vehicle, so you can knock it over into manual mode and choose the gears for yourself. And when you put it in reverse, the parking sensors do activate as well. We do also have as well plenty of storage space down there, and that completes our look today at this approved used 2019 Audi A1. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.